my YouTube friends, welcome to my garden. This is my mint patch. I have 8 varieties of mints, and of course they are invading each other, so they are not separated completely. I try to restrain them, but mostly I failed. This is my favorite apple pine mint, and I will use it to prepare my cookies today. I will also use lemon mint, kitchen lemon mint, to add to my dough. Lemon melissa will provide its aroma, lemon aroma, for my dough. For this tea ceremony, I am using a tea set from late 70s, early 80s. I inherited this set from my parents. A few months ago, I did a video about the perfect English tea ceremony, and I will leave a link above and below. In this video, I explained some rules or etiquettes for tea ceremony. I prepared 2 types of cookies, this layered type of cookie and those cracked cookies. And I will show you how I prepared the dough and how I bake them. First, I combine mint leaves without stems with sugar. I am using 200 grams of sugar and a full cup or maybe a cup and a half of mint leaves. For more intense color, I am adding a few leaves of spinach. Let me blend these 2 ingredients together. I moved my mixture to a bigger bowl and added zest of half of a lemon. Now I will add other ingredients, including 1 egg, baking powder and flour. Actually, I added 2 eggs because I forgot I am doing 2 portions of dough. So 2 eggs, baking powder. Now I need to add butter and flour. Added butter of room temperature, 200 grams. I did not add all flour. I will add more as needed. Let's start preparing my dough. Added more flour and continue. This is my dough. Now I will divide it in 2 portions to do 2 types of cookies. And it's a little bit sticky, but you need to handle the dough with wet hands. My first half of the dough I will form in this sausage and will keep in the freezer for 40 minutes. From my second half of dough, I formed these small balls using wet hands, and now I will flatten them a little bit using the bottom of a cup. And this is my cream for the second type of cookies. After 40 minutes in the freezer, I took out the second half of my dough. I will form these balls, and then I will put those balls first in sugar, then in sugar powder. And we need to do this fast, so the dough is still cold, and this will help to create those cracks. My cookies are ready. Now I will attach 2 cookies together using my cream. So between 2 cookies I put my cream, and on the top it's a white chocolate with nuts. Of course I have a tray with sugar cubes, tea and milk. I also like to add some lemons, so my tea is not that strong. Now let me cut my cookies and show how they look inside. This is how the cookies look like when I cut them. The sandwich type cookies and the cracked cookies. Let me now pour some tea. Let me now invite my husband and decide which type of cookie is better. Okay, my husband is here. Please try the first type of cookies, the cracked ones. Is it good?
Good.
Now please try the sandwich cookie. How was it?
Delicious.
Which type of cookies did you like better? First or the second?
Probably the first one.
The first one, the
Yes.
cracked ones?
Yes, because it's a little bit crunchy.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
But this is
Also delicious?
also delicious.
Okay, good to know. There are less cookies now left because my husband ate a few and drank his tea. So we will enjoy these cookies and continue our tea ceremony. If you grow mint in your garden, just maybe try this recipe and write in the comments if you like this type of cookies. And also let me know which type of cookies you liked better. These cracked ones or those sandwich size or sandwich type.